So in this how-to video, we're going to create a set of application rules that we want to apply and override the default rule set that comes with the configuration as standard. So in our example here, we'll create a global rule set. We'll add just one application rule using the match conditions for TCP port 3980. We'll apply some priority. We'll apply the settings that we want to apply to this application in the virtual path, and then we'll apply this to all the sites connected to the MCN. It's worth noting that these rules will sit in front of the default rules, but anything that doesn't match our rule set will still get processed through the default rule set. So we'll minimize out of that. We'll go to our MCN. We'll go to the configuration editor. And to do this, we actually need to click on the Advanced tab. And then we need to go to the global settings, default sets, and we'll click virtual path default sets, and then we'll click the add button to create a new set of rules. We can change the name of this. I'll just call it app rules. And we're just going to look at our classes real quick. We're going to use the standard classes here. We're going to put our traffic into class number 12, the interactive medium class. Minimize that. And now what we'll do is we'll add a rule. So we click on the rules tab. We'll click add. For this example, we're just going to match on TCP port 3980. We'll use source and destination checkbox to allow the rule to work in both directions. We'll expand to look at the match set conditions. We're going to do load balance paths. We will check retransmit lost packets. We will go to LAN to WAN to select the class we want to put this traffic into, in our case, interactive medium class number 12. And on the receive side, we're going to make sure that packet resequencing is on, and we're going to give him a hold timer of 900 milliseconds to allow us plenty of time to kind of retransmit lost packets or do reorder control. We'll click apply. That's our rule set created. Now we have to go and add this to our virtual paths. In order to do that, we'll break out of global, we'll go to connections, and we're just going to do this from the MCN side. It's worth noting when you add a rule set to one side of a virtual path, it automatically gets created for the other side. So in this case, we can go to our MCN site, New York HQ, we can go to our virtual paths and go to one of our remote sites, basic settings. We can edit this, and now we can select the rule set to apply to that virtual path. Anytime I clone the site, I inherit the rule set that I've got there. So we'll have to do this for the sites I've already created here. So we'll just do London as well, edit him, app rules apply, and we go to San Francisco, local site, basic settings, edit, deploy the app rules again. So now once we've done that, we can save our config, and we can export that to change management and apply that configuration to the network. Now, anytime we add another rule to the default set, that will automatically get propagated to all the sites that are using that rule set. And we can have different rule sets for different sites as needed. Thank you.